Well, here we are in Jolia, getting ready to leave. We're heading to, look over here, we've got the remnants of the tent city being dismantled by old porters and guides and things. We are heading to Paiju today, and should be more of the same. We think it's a jeep track all the way there, so it shouldn't be a particularly difficult trail. But again, it's very, very long. It's 18 kilometers, even longer than yesterday's. So it's going to be a big, long trek, and it's going to be scorching hot sun when the sun hits us. So it's probably not going to be particularly pleasant today either. Yeah, that's it for today, I think. Well, more of the same really. Half of today was along a jeep track like yesterday, and then the second half was jeep track kind of petered out, and the second half was along a very easy to follow but pretty rugged hiking path. And it was a long way, baking heat again. Very much looking forward to getting higher up. We're at what altitude now? 4,000 meters. Okay, 3,300. So yeah, still pretty low, and yeah, absolutely baking all day. And we've arrived in this absolute beautiful oasis in the middle of the desert. Here again, an awful lot of commercial trekking groups, but yeah, we don't really have enough space for the tent on this little platform. I don't know quite what we're going to do with this tree here. But yeah, that was today. I'm absolutely exhausted.